Hey, what's up? Biker's Choice family. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at one of the best dirt bikes for young riders and aspiring motocross stars, the Honda CRF150R. This bike strikes the perfect balance between power, performance, and agility, making it a favorite for both beginners and those looking to step up their game. If you're on the hunt for a youth motocross bike, stick around, because we're about to dive into everything the CRF150R has to offer. Design and build. The Honda CRF150R is designed with one goal in mind: performance. Right from the get-go, this bike stands out with its aggressive styling and compact build. The CRF150R's lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to handle and maneuver, especially for younger riders or those transitioning from smaller bikes. With its 19-inch front wheel and 16-inch rear wheel, the bike offers just the right size for youth riders who are ready for a full-size motocross experience without feeling overwhelmed. The bike's low seat height and narrow profile ensure that it feels light and agile, giving you full control whether you're on the track or hitting the trails. Engine performance. The CRF150R is powered by a 149cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine, which strikes the right balance between power and manageability. The engine produces a respectable amount of horsepower, enough to give the bike a quick burst of acceleration without being too overwhelming for younger or less experienced riders. The fuel injection system ensures precise throttle control and consistent power delivery, which makes it easier to handle in a variety of conditions, whether you're tearing up the track or carving through tight corners. The CRF150R also has a smooth power band that's perfect for riders who are growing into their skills, offering a fun but controlled ride. Suspension and handling. When it comes to suspension, the Honda CRF150R doesn't hold back. It's equipped with a 37mm Showa inverted fork in the front and a Showa monoshock rear system, both fully adjustable to suit different riding styles and track conditions. These components provide excellent feedback, making sure the bike remains stable while also offering the necessary flexibility to handle bumps and jumps. Whether you're hitting a big jump or navigating a technical corner, the CRF150R offers smooth and responsive suspension that helps you maintain control and confidence at high speeds. Brakes and tires. For a bike built for track use, reliable brakes and tires are essential, and the CRF150R delivers on both fronts. The front brake is a 220mm disc, while the rear features a 190mm disc, both providing strong and consistent stopping power. The brakes are designed to handle the demands of motocross, ensuring you can bring the bike to a stop quickly and safely, even in the heat of competition. The CRF150R is also fitted with knobby tires that offer excellent traction, giving you the grip you need on dirt, mud, and gravel. Whether you're cornering at high speed or tackling a rough section of trail, these tires will keep you planted and in control. Ergonomics and comfort. Honda has paid close attention to rider comfort and ergonomics on the CRF150R. The seat is narrow and firm, providing just the right amount of support without being too soft or too hard. This helps reduce fatigue during longer riding sessions, while the low seat height ensures that riders can touch the ground with ease, enhancing confidence during slow-speed maneuvers or when coming to a stop. The handlebars are also designed to offer an ideal reach, and their positioning can be adjusted slightly for a more personalized fit, allowing riders to feel comfortable and in control at all times. Technology and features. While the Honda CRF150R isn't overloaded with advanced tech like some high-end motocross machines, it doesn't need it. The focus here is on keeping things simple and effective, which makes it perfect for riders looking to gain experience and improve their skills. The fuel injection system ensures consistent performance across a variety of altitudes and weather conditions, so you don't have to worry about constantly adjusting the carburetor. The bike's ease of maintenance is another plus, with tools like the quick access air filter making regular upkeep a breeze. Maintenance and durability. One of the hallmarks of Honda bikes is their legendary durability, and the CRF150R is no different. The bike is built to withstand the rigors of motocross and off-road riding, with components designed for longevity and ease of repair. Maintenance is straightforward, and Honda has made it simple for owners to perform basic upkeep themselves, from oil changes to air filter swaps. The tough, well-built frame and quality components ensure that the CRF150R will provide reliable performance, race after race, and ride after ride. Conclusion. So after taking a closer look at the Honda CRF150R, it's clear that this bike is an excellent choice for younger riders or those looking to step up from smaller bikes. With its balanced power, responsive suspension, and race-ready design, the CRF150R offers a high-performance experience without being too intimidating. It's the perfect bike for riders who want to take their skills to the next level and have fun doing it. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Biker's Choice for more dirt bike reviews, and leave us a comment below telling us what you think about the Honda CRF150R. Would you choose this as your next bike, or are you eyeing something else? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.